Keep counting. No, keep counting.
26, 27, 28, 29, 26, 27, 28, 29! I can't wait to see what I got. A duck? An Easter duck. I does. That was my wish.
You're a goofball. What do you tell her?
Thank you. I love it.
What's the card say?
Card?
Oh, right there. You had it in your hand.
What does it say?
Look at the front.
J-B-J-A-C-O-B.
What's that spell?
Jacob.
Yeah.
And Connie, I love it. I love it, Connie.
Now wait, let me read it. Happy Easter. Wait, no. Fold it back up. Fold
No. Let's look at all this.
Uh-huh.
That's a better way.
Oh, that's the better way to read the card? Okay.
Look.
Okay. Tell her thank you.
Thank you.
Hey, young man.
Take a hug.
Okay. What are you going to name him?
The Easter bunny. The Easter duck.
Okay.
He has a egg. An Easter egg.
Yeah.
That's why I'm going to call him Easter bunny. Easter duck, I mean. But
Why don't you just call him Edie for Easter duck? Edie. Edie.
Hi, Edie. Ah, this is the best one. I know what name he could be. Edie.
Okay.
Duck.
They love ya.
I love ya. You're the best. I always wanted this for my whole birthday.
Okay, ham it up a little bit more. Bye.
Bye.